There are many benefits of carrot juice for the body, including the skin. Carrots contain essential vitamins, minerals and nutrients for overall health. The juice is not only used for consumption, it's made for making homemade soap. It's found in many commercial and homemade skincare products. Health benefits. Carrots contain vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene. Drinking carrot juice can help maintain good vision, increases the body's immunity, remove indigestible fibers, help in the prevention of cancer, heart disease and strokes. It contains natural sugars, so those that are diabetic would want to drink fewer amounts. The juice may not be appealing for some to drink all by itself, so add or mix it with other fruit juices to enhance its flavor. By doing so, you will be adding nutrients to your drink. Consider tasty combinations such as carrots and bananas, carrots and pineapples, carrots and oranges, carrots and mango or carrots and blackberries. Using juice made from fresh fruits or vegetables instead of the bottled kind maximizes the benefits of overall health. A daily glass of carrot juice, 8 ounces, can make a healthful difference. The body will not absorb drinking more than this amount. Skin care benefits. This juice can offer beautiful natural skin care. The benefits of vitamin A and C are healthful for skin. Vitamin A is essential for body tissue growth. It provides antioxidants benefits, attacking free radicals, which can cause premature wrinkles, eczema, dermatitis and rashes. The antioxidants can act as a natural sunblock and help in healing sunburns. The benefits of vitamin C helps promote skin elasticity, with collagen production. This juice helps improve uneven skin tone, prevents scars, revitalizes skin, helps get rid of blackheads, provides acne relief, has anti-inflammatory properties, promotes smooth, soft and supple skin. Fresh juice contains other healthful nutrients, vitamin K benefits, folate, manganese, B6, pantothenic acid, potassium, iron and copper. When drinking it with water, it keeps the body and the skin well hydrated. Just be careful and do not drink too much carrot juice. It can, temporarily, turn your complexion a yellowish-orange color. It's found in many commercial and homemade skincare products, soaps, face cream, lotions and more. Making homemade soap. Since this juice offers such wonderful skincare benefits, it's used as a soap-making oil. Goat's milk soap contains alpha-hydroxy acids and rich butterfat that provide moisture to skin. When making homemade soap, such as goat's milk soap, you can add this juice with many other skin-nourishing oils. To give your soap a beautiful orange color, substitute carrot juice for water in a 1:1 ratio. In soaps, it will dull over time but gives a beautiful, fresh look to finished homemade soap. Consider blending goat's milk, comfrey and carrot juice for a nice bar of soap. Another natural soap combination is a blend of carrots, buttermilk, honey and avocado oil. Consider drinking this juice, made from fresh carrots, as a daily intake. Consider using it in commercial or homemade beauty products. Carrot juice offers good vitamin A and vitamin C benefits plus other nutrients for overall health of the body and the skin.